So hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to interface LM35 sensor with the ADC device and LCD and ARM7 microcontroller. So what is the use of ADC? So ADC is nothing but analog to digital converter, and LM35 sensor we are using for to read the temperature sensor value, atmospheric temperature sensor value temperature, and LCD we are using to display the data of temperature, and microcontroller for interfacing. So what are the hardware is needed? LPC2148, LCD, ADC device, and LM35 with connecting wires and breadboard. So that's all about the hardware part. So now first I will explain you how to create the project, how to add the file, and after that I will show you the demo on the LCD, a real-time demo. So first what we have to do, we have to open the Keel Microvision, and then we have to click on the project, click on project, click new project, and then we need to give the file name we have to give. I'm giving LM35. Okay, this is my, okay, before that we need to create one folder. So folder name I'm giving LM35. Okay, and once the folder is created, then I need to make the file name as an LM35. So after creating the file name, and pop-up will come. So in that pop-up, what we have to do, we have to select on the legacy device, and then we have to give the microcontroller IC name LPC2148. This is the IC microcontroller name, and then uh, I need to select this one LPC2148 and click OK. By this way, our startup.s startup file, it is asking the startup file to add. So by this way, I added the startup file. So after doing this one, I added the startup file. Now what I have to do, I need to check it. So it is added only. I'm creating the new file. So for that, create new file, and then uh, I am writing the my code main.c. This is like main.c code. So I'm copying this one and I'm pasting on this one. So this is my main code, and I have to save this one with the .c extension. So I am saving it main.c. The code you can copy from like Android app, and there you will get the code files, so you can download it from here, and after that you can copy in this Kill Microvision. And then again we need to create two more files, header files. Okay, one is the lcd.h, another one is the adc. So that code I am going to copy. This is the code for lcd.h, so you can download it from your app, and here I am writing this one. And please keep in mind, we have to select this uh, with the name of lcd.h. Okay, so this is the lcd.h, and this one we need to like copy the adc code. On that adc code already I have, so this I'm copying and pasting in this, and I'm saving this by adc.h. Okay, so these two files are header files. uh, okay, so this is like for this purpose. Now I'm going to explain you the main code first, and then so these two are the header file. So separately I'm using this header file. This header file I'm calling in this. So has include lpc2148x.h is nothing but we are including the header file here. After including the header file, second line lcd.h, in that again I'm using adding the header file, but it is like by this it is means like in a current working directory it is added. This is like adc.h. So this lcd.h header file I'm adding here, and this here we are adding adc.h in this one. So now this is like unsigned interval. So in this unsigned interval, you can see one data type, and here I'm taking the value as a variable, and that I am going to use in the code. In the main function, you can see it I0 IO1 DIR means what? The port 1 of I am making as an output. How many? All the pins I am making as an only last four I am not using, but rest of the thing we are making as an output. Okay, and then IO0 DIR we are making as an input. So port 0 we are making as an input, port 1 we are making as an output of LPC2148. This is like pin select. So we are selecting and we are, and this is for like PLL and all we are using. For that we are selecting for 60 megahertz. And uh, you can see it here, LCD installation first we did, and here we are printing the ADC value. So okay, whatever value it will come, so this string will replace with the value. Okay, and the while one loop, whatever value it will come, it will after this ADC value it will print the in the degree Celsius, like this it will print. Suppose 22 degree something it will print. Okay, it is based on like atmospheric value. Now for dummy purpose it will it will appear like this. Okay, and this is like LCD. So LCD, you are aware, these all are the function declaration, and in that only you have to keep register select value should be 0, and in this case it should be 1. Okay, and this is like LCD.h. Here we are selecting the channel. So by this way we are selecting the channel with the case 0, case 1, and after selecting the channel we are receiving the data and we are printing on the LCD display. So that's all about the coding part. I will show you the demo after doing the connections and all. We'll see the output on the LCD display, and like how the LM35 is capable of giving the atmospheric value. Okay. So hello guys. This is the setup for LM35 with the ADC and ARM7 microcontroller. So ADC is analog to digital converter. As I already informed you, like ADC, some of the devices like ADC in nature, but we can't directly read the values, ADC analog values from the world, and we can't display on the LCD. For that we need one IC which is used to convert the analog signals to the digital ones. Okay, so for that purpose only we have to use the ADC devices. So now ADC devices are coming single channel, multi-channel in nature. If you are going with 0804, that is single channel, and 0808, that is multi-channel use. Now as far as this tutorial concerned, we are using single channel only. So what is our plan was to read the temperature, atmospheric temperature, and display on the LCD. So to read the temperature we need one LM35 3-pin IC which is VCC, ground, and output. So that value we can't read it, so we need one intermediator, that is ADC 0804, and that ADC we need to interface with our microcontroller, and we are going to print the data on the LCD. So here you can see what I did, like informed, like according to the circuit diagram in our document, I arranged in that way. So you have to keep in mind, like VCC we need to connect to the VCC, ground we have to connect to the ground, output we need to connect to the particular pin which we I defined in the document, and that data pins of the LCD we need to connect with the port 0 to port 0, from port 0.0 to port 0.7. In my case, if you want you can alter the ports, no issues. So only what you have to do, you have to change the pin number, that's it. And then data lines as well as control lines also we need to connect with the port 0.8, port 0.9, and port 0.10. Okay, so like this we need to give the connections. So already I given the connection. Here you can see this is the LCD, and this LCD I connected in that way, control signals, and then LM35 I connected. This you can see ADC, So ADC I connected to all the pins. Okay, so this much connection we need to provide. Power supply we have to give, and if you need to upload the code, you need USB to UART converter, this one. Okay, so here you can see display LCD, it is displaying the atmospheric value is 28 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I am measuring in 28 degrees Celsius. The moment if the atmospheric temperature will change, the value will also change. Okay, so this you can see it, this temperature value will change when we'll rub that particular sensor, or if we'll do any modification with that sensor, or if if the temperature itself will change, or you can tell if we rub that particular sensor, that time also the sensor value will change. Okay, so how we can change that? We need to rub the LM35. So to rub the LM35,